Guten Tag, Klasse. Today we are reviewing the verb endings and how they go together with the verbs. So, you saw this screen last time, and ich takes E, so ich schwimme. Du takes ST, du surfst. Sie, and S all take a T, so singt, sie spielt, and so on. Wir takes EN, wir surfen im Internet. Ihr takes a T, so ihr simst. Sie plural, meaning they, takes EN, so sie fahren skateboard. And sie formal, if you're talking to me and you're saying you, Frau Miles, sie tanzen, so on. So here are the things you can help to remember, that can help you remember them better. Ich, das, 10. Ich takes E, du takes ST, and then the next two sets of verb endings are en, 10, and en, 10. Or, you, ich, das, he, she, and it all drink tea. The plural side all takes en except for that irritating T. So whatever helps you memorize them works. Okay, so how do you use a verb in a sentence? You drop the en from the verb. So if you have spielen or schwimmen, you take the en off and you get the stem. Spiel, schwimm. Okay, then you have to find the pronoun or the subject in the sentence. Who are you talking about? Is it er? Is it das Mädchen? Choose the matching ending that goes with that pronoun. This is the part you just have to memorize. On the chart we just saw, ich takes E, du takes ST, and so on. Now you have to add the ending to the stem. So if your stem was spiel, and your pronoun, your subject is wir takes en, wir spielen. But if your subject was das Mädchen, that's the girl. That's like saying she. So he, she, and it all drink tea, so your ending is T. Sie spielt. And here's an example. Surfen, you drop the en, you get surf. That's your stem. Suppose wir is the subject, which I just chose. The matching ending is en, so wir surfen. Now if we did that same thing, but we used, say, ich, the ending for ich is E, so it's wir surfen, and so on. Oh, wir surfen, the picture. Okay, so we're not going to act these out, but see if you can tell what they are. Ich höre Musik. Notice ich takes an E. Ich höre. Du spielst Keyboard. Du spielst Keyboard. Er spielt Fußball. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Gotta use your feet. Er spielt Fußball. Sie simsen. That's like from Miles. Sie simsen? Wir kommen zusammen mit Freunden. So wir. Ihr surft im Internet. So Silke und Gabi. Surft ihr im Internet? Sie fahren Skateboard. Die zwei Mädchen. Oder die Mädchen und die Jungen. Sie fahren Skateboard. Sie singt. Das Mädchen singt. Hilde singt. Wir tanzen. Meine Freunde und ich, wir tanzen. Ihr seht fern. Bob und Joe, seht ihr fern? Sie schwimmen. Bob und Joe schwimmen. Klasse. Sie lesen ein Buch. You can't really see that one. That's for an adult. Okay, so now we're going to play a Hollywood Squares game. Usually we do this in class like tic-tac-toe. So we're going to go through it and see if you can guess the right answers before they come up. So we've got Stewie Cheatham, Anita Hug and Kiss, Ivana Win, See More Money, Fill Her Up, Craving Some Food, Sandy Beaches, Leave Immediately, and I'm a Beautiful. So we're just going to start with this guy. What is the verb ending for wir? If you can't see it, that's W-I-R, wir. So do you know what the verb ending for wir is? Hopefully you said en, because it is. And normally I would put an X or an O there. Oh, I could even do it here, X. But we can't play in class. What is the verb ending for do? What is the verb ending for do? What's the one or two letters? Hopefully you knew it was ST. Oops, we'll just go on with her. What is the verb ending for Z? Notice that Z is capitalized. That means it's the formal U. So what is the verb ending for Z if it's capitalized, if it's formal? Hopefully you knew it was en. What is the verb ending for ich? This is an easy one. Did you all know that the verb ending for ich is e? I hope so. We're just going to click on him like this. What is the verb ending for er? He, she, and it all drink tea. T, er, z, and s. I'll take a T ending. Next question is, what is the verb ending for ear? Ear. Well, ear sounds a lot like air, and they both take the same verb ending, T. Oops, I don't know why I did that. We'll go on to him. What is the verb ending for z singular, like she? You can't see that. Z. Z singular. Hopefully you remembered it's T. Er, z, and s all take T. What is the verb ending for s? We haven't worked with this one yet, but he, she, and it, er, z, and s all drink tea. Still tea. And what is the verb ending for z plural? So z plural refers to two or more people. It's like Bill and Jim together. So did you remember that all the plurals take en except for the irritating t? So I know that wasn't that much fun as a game, not like it would have been in class. Okay, now you're going to go to Quizlet and you're going to practice the verb endings on Quizlet, and then tomorrow you're going to practice putting it all together, and you will have a little exam on it, although it'll be open note. But the more you know, the better. Cheers!